Brazil is one of the largest meat and soybean producers in the world. Thanks to land and resources of the Amazon rainforest, slash and burn techniques are used to clear land for the use of agriculture, cattle grazing, and mining. Other exports such as wood and rubber are also major exports in Brazil and surrounding countries. A process called logging entails removing logs for fuel and building. These exports play a major role in Brazil and surrounding countries' economies. 25% of medicine that comes from plants can be found in the Amazon rainforest. Certain Amazonian animals, such as the Amazon squirrel monkey, play a role in biological trade, a process in which living animals are traded to collectors or pharmaceutical labs for research.
But what is this doing to one of our world's largest natural resource? Illegal loggers disregard rates and reserves and often remove large areas for only a few logs. Large machines pull down climbers, vines, epiphytes, and lianas, completely ruining the area's chance for regeneration. The tracks of these machines cause soil disturbances, resulting in siltation. This is when the water becomes polluted with excessive silt and clay. Subsistence and commercial agriculture has increased from 2 to 10 acres per farm to thousands of acres. These large plots of treeless land creates water cycling, in which water runs straight into rivers without cycling and absorbing into trees. This results in drought and forest fires, and ultimately the death of indigenous people and animals. The burning and decomposition of wood from the slash and burn technique contributes significant amount of carbon dioxide and methane, pollutants that contribute to climate change. The land produced from these techniques remains fertile for a few years, but later excessive amounts of fertilizer are required to continue growth. When this pollutant, along with the pollutants from mining and factories, washes into rivers and streams, it can kill or mutate the aquatic life. The Amazon rainforest helps balance rainfall and freshwater production. A change in this system would endanger the Atlantic Ocean fishery. The indigenous people often have to keep moving to what they think is a safe and remote place or change their way of life. They are threatened by carcinogenic and mentally harming pollutants such as mercury and fertilizer. Their home is being destroyed.
Scientists have used satellites to detect illegal cutting in the jungle. Also, programs have been developed where landowners are paid to keep their trees standing so they are not persuaded by illegal loggers to cut down their trees. Governments and conservationists have devised ways to protect the rainforest and allow people who live in them to survive. One of the ideas is to increase the sustainable use of resources from the rainforest such as fruits, rubber, nuts, and medicinal plants.